Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Kwey in these streets, man. I'm responding to a domestic violence call right now. Trying to see what's going on. Alright, should be right up here on the left somewhere. Where is that in the road up there, man? Come on, Lincoln 18, show me on scene. Alright, I'm not.
Copy that. 1 Lincoln 18. Proceed with caution.
I'm not sure why this guy's standing in the roadway. Look at this guy. Alright, it's showing that the caller is somewhere below. What this guy got going on, man? Alright, let me see can I find the caller, dude. I'm not sure what it can be. Is that, I mean, do I have to go below? Where did they put that? That's crazy. Alright, I'm not seeing it. Let me just speak to this guy. It's showing that they are below, down below somewhere. I'm not sure what's going on. Let me speak to this guy. You got your hands up for sir. What's going on with you, man? Do you need EMS or something? You don't need EMS. Are you part of this domestic disturbance, sir? Are you good? You sure about that? Oh man. 1 Lincoln 18 requesting EMS. This guy must be the one. They might be in a home somewhere.
Ambulance. Assistance required in, West Vinewood.
I'm not sure what's going on with him. See if you got some idea on him. Alright, come on through, lady. Dude, whoever you are.
Here we go.
I'm not sure what's
Work
going
with
on.
me, damn it.
Alright, well they work on him. I'm just how to locate these people over here. Let's see if there's a door around here or something. Alright, so that guy is gonna make it. Alright, I'm not sure who he was in a domestic dispute with, so I'm not sure. Alright, so the arrow's pointing down, which means they should be below us, but I'm not sure just where they could be. Alright, so without further information about what department these people call from, I'm not sure there's much else I can do. Alright, so I'm not sure what these people behind that, which department they are in. They're definitely not making themselves known. Alright, so the guy made it. I'm not sure what was going on with him. Looked like he was definitely in some kind of fight. Alright, man, I'm gonna have to code 4. He's gonna have to give a better explanation of what was going on. 1 Lincoln 18, code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Alright guys, welcome back, man. I'm in the sheriff outfit today, dude. We definitely gonna be in the city, man. Uh, Patrolling in the black truck mark. It's pretty sweet, dude. Love the lights on it. Alright, man, we're gonna see what else we can get into. Our first call out definitely on domestic violence case that I'm not sure. Oh, come on now. What do they got going on? I'm not sure what really happened in it, but we did find one victim. I'm assuming was a victim. Assaulted outside the home. So once he gets himself together, he'll be able to shine some light on what happened. Alright, man, while we at it, man, I just want to look at something real quick. Just to see what happened with the previous people I arrested. So let's look at some of the court dates that we had with them. And this guy got hit with simple possession on one charge. Looked like he got more behind these, so he was granted probation for that. And fines for the rest of those charges. Samantha Gomez. I do definitely remember her. Let's see what she was sentenced to. Oh man, 30 years, 7 months in prison. So she definitely was held accountable. Alright, so the possession with intent to distribute and possession of heroin really got her the most time. Alright, this is Anson Trim. Crossing W on the line. I don't recall giving him those. Alright, so we asked if it was found not guilty on those charges. Alright, so we had 2 different separate charges. Alright, so he did receive 6 years in prison for those charges right there. Pretty sweet deal considering all the charges he had. Alright, so that's going to be it for the cases. Alright, man, right now we're just waiting on the call out.
Attention all units. We've got an assault in West Vinewood.
Alright, so just like that, we got one. Oh my God, bro, they be out there on here, bro, for real. Hold up, bro. Alright, so we got an issue at a nightclub apparently. We're gonna head over there. See if we can't provide some type of assistance to security. Alright, it's just right up here, man. Should be on the opposite side. This may be it here. Is it? Oh man, we got somebody right here running. Who is this? Sir, get on the ground! Alright, let me get my taser, dude. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna get on the ground! Get on the ground! This guy definitely wanna get tased. I told you not to do it, dude. Stay down or you're gonna get it again, man. Get your butt back on the ground, man. What the frick are you running for? Get on the freaking ground, dude. What you fucking move, you understand? Alright, man, get up, dude. Stand up. Alright, I got one in custody.
Attention, this is dispatch. All units attempt to reacquire in West Vinewood. Target last seen heading north on foot. Remain in the area. ATL 20 on suspect.
Let me pat you down. Alright, so we had a disturbance at a nightclub. Apparently, this is it right here. I'm not sure what the other individual ran off to. Alright, go ahead and kneel down for me, sir. Alright, I'm not sure what was going on. Let me just see if he's willing to talk to me. Let me get a paycheck first. I'm gonna talk to him. Taunted Tiger. Frosted Flakes, man. Frosted Flakes, man. Alright, so what's the deal, man? What do y'all got going on over here? What y'all doing? You don't need to answer that. Where did you just come from? Out the club? From work? What are you running for, man? Alright? Do you know why I'm here? Alright, man. Here's the deal. I got called for a fight in progress, some type of disturbance.
Attention, this is dispatch. Right. Targets evaded pursuing officers. Code 4 Adam. No additional support needed.
Alright, so it looked like your partner evaded us, so why were you fighting, man? Because it sounds like that's what you've been doing. Yes, you're being detained, man. You're being detained and you're also being arrested. You understand what I'm saying? You're freaking running. I had to tase you to get you to stop. Alright, so give me a minute, man. Let me go over and see what he had on him. See if he, see if this tested positive for drugs or something. I'm not sure what it is. But we're gonna find out. Alright, so I'm not getting a positive so far. Alright, PCP it is, man. So he definitely going down for that. I didn't actually see him fighting. Matter of fact, let me see if I can just go up here. No security, nothing around, man. Alright, so I'm not sure what happened, but we're gonna definitely charge him with the PCP. The fighting we're not gonna worry about. I didn't witness it. He will be charged with resisting and attempting to elude on foot. Alright, I'm definitely too close to him, interacting with him, so resisting. I'm gonna say non-violence, attempting to flee on foot, failure to comply, and that was PCP, yeah, PCP, so. Look at them, charging with intent to distribute or something like that, man. That's where the times come from. Alright, this dude, 22 years old. Didn't have a record before this. Hopefully he can get himself together, man. I'm not sure what's going on. Probably out here having a good time and got himself mixed up, you know. One Lincoln 18 requesting transport. No. Not no freaking. I need a transport.
Assistance required in West Vinewood.
Alright, young man. We got somebody on the way to pick you up. Hopefully you can get yourself together, man. I know you don't want to talk to me, dude, but hey. It is what it is. Alright, so hopefully the transport. What is that? What the heck is this dude up there doing, man? There's somebody in that truck. Oh, man. Transport, that freaking... What is transport doing, bro? Look at them like, oh, hell, I gotta get the hell out of here, bro. Come on, rookie, what the hell are you doing running into the back of parked cars, bro? Alright, the hills and freaking Vinewood and Rockford Hills are insane, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna code 4 off this call. Again, the other person evaded arrest. I'm not sure what they had going on, but he did receive several charges. And he'll be going to jail for that, man. 1 Lincoln 18, show me code 4.
Attention all units, code 4, no further units required.
Why is this car parked on the freaking... Alright, I'm not sure why this car's parked over here like that. Let's see if anybody's in it.
I fucking ran out of gas
Park
in
on
traffic.
the sidewalk like that.
We gotta finish talking later.
Let me get a
Call me
plate
back.
check, man, just see if it's even have any issues with it before I get it towed. Alright, so let's go.
Dispatch, we got a visual on the perp in pursuit.
Target vehicle license plate. Backup needed in Ocean 522. A traffic violation.
Dispatch, suspect
Approach
located.
with caution.
Moving to engage.
Alright, so this vehicle definitely not registered. Unknown.
Attention all units. Southbound, driving a black Dinka on Lockport Freeway. All units, stand by.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it towed, man. I'm not sure what's going on with it. We will leave it like that, but
Flatbed, assistance required in
got some
West
damage right
Vinewood.
there. Alright, got some damage.
Target last seen heading south, doing 60 miles per hour on Lockport Freeway.
Alright, so they're in the process of chasing somebody, man. Let's go join in.
Yeah, what's cracking? For sure.
See if we can't help out. Oh, come on, lady, watch out. Alright, so nobody just go to our team. Might be a little too late to try to do anything about
All units attempt to reacquire visual on Lockport Freeway. Target last seen heading east. Dispatching air unit from Central Station.
We are airborne and en route.
They got air in the sky. We still haven't found this guy again yet.
What are you thinking about tomorrow night?
Alright, so this guy might be long gone, man. I think I'm just gonna code 4 off that one, man. They haven't recovered them yet. One Lincoln 18, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
Alright, it's just like that. We on Strawberry Avenue, man. Well, we're in Strawberry, I'm sorry, on Innocent Boulevard. And we already know how to
We have a Grand Theft Auto in progress in Lockport.
If you don't know, man, this neighborhood is gang infested. Because it's gang infested, you can possibly get.
Motherfucker, you look like a bitch.
It really is a crime-ridden neighborhood, man. That's why you got all the for rent signs up. Nobody wants to stay over here, dude.
What's good? Yo, we still gonna meet up?
Hey girl, outside. I hate to say it, but I knew. Okay,
How you doing?
Alright, man, this light is way too long. Come on, bro. Alright, man, this area here, you definitely don't want to be jumping out shooting at nobody. The whole neighborhood will come after you, dude. Definitely want to come with backup.
I don't like nobody playing on my phone. She a fucking klepto. I don't consider her my sister.
This is the first time I ever rode there, and they just wouldn't line up and down the road, on that road back there, so.
You heard that CD of my shit that I gave you? Man, don't hate on my rhyme. That shit's
Oh man, you might get some bad weather.
the whole block. You gonna be thumping on my
The National Weather Service in Los Santos has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Santos County, Blaine County, until approximately 9:10 p.m.
Alright, we'll pick up that call, man. Alright, it's gonna get real nasty out here on those dudes. The rain definitely settling in. Alright, we got a suspicious call person. Oh man, it's gonna be hell trying to squeeze through there, dude. Oh, go ahead, there they go. Alright, so we got a suspicious call. Oh man, it's gonna get ugly out here, dude. So it's definitely gonna be a wet shift. Oh, come on, bro! What the hell, bro? Oh, come on! They trying to get freaking paid, bro. One Lincoln 18 request an EMS. Oh man, this sucks, dude.
Ambulance. Assistance required in,
Oh man.
library.
This sucks, dude. Let me stop traffic, man. This sucks, dude. Freak, dude. I wasn't going that fast, man. I mean, she just fell out on the freaking ground. This guy's laid out, man. They trying to get freaking paid, dude. Come on now.
no fucking way.
Go ahead and get him up, bro. This is unbelievable, man. Oh, y'all hold down. Oh, man, I gotta get seeking. Soaking wet, man. I can't even go to the freaking call, dude. Come on, man. I know she good. Oh, my God. She died, bro. Man, this is crazy, man. Ain't no way.
I'm on it.
One Lincoln 18 requesting corner. Come on, man. Alright, let's hopefully this guy
Assistance
makes it.
required in Strawberry.
Alright, I'm gonna sit in the car, in the truck, bro. I'm getting soaking wet out here.
Hell, not looking good.
Alright, so I'm en route to a call, man. I end up getting into a fender bender. What I thought was a small fender bender turned out one of them did not make it, man. It was just absolutely crazy to me. Alright, let's see. They finna get the corners here. Let me get the truck freaking towed, man. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of explaining to do, dude. Alright, so
Flatbed. Assistance required in Strawberry.
we're gonna allow them to do their job, dude. Excuse me, sir.
Jeez,
Excuse me, man.
are you hard?
Alright, so coroner has taken possession of the body, dude. I mean, I had to get on. I gotta go. I have to answer that later. Alright, so let me get to this call, man. Not sure if they still there or not. Oh my God, dude. I'm all over the place. Let me slow it down, man. I'm crashing into everything. I'm not, these people must be on the move, man. What the heck? Oh yeah, they on the move. They on the move. Let's see if we can't catch up with them. Alright, they like 2 blocks ahead of us. Look like they might have came at a stop at a home or something. Let's see if we get around here real quick. They leave. Alright, so they have pulled up somewhere. Get out the way, dude. Alright, so I think it's gonna be over here somewhere. Alright, let me just pull over here, dude. Not really sure who I'm looking for. Alright, the car. Oh man. Alright, so got 2 people standing over here. How y'all doing? What's going on, man? What's going on? Sir, what's going on, man? Okay. Okay. Who called you? Well, we were dispatched, sir, for suspicious people. Suspicious person, rather. Didn't know what was 2 of you. You got some ID on you? Yeah, the person who lived here didn't think you guys were official, okay? Well, we gotta investigate, sir, okay? Do you know if they're home or not? You saw the lights on early? Okay. You mind if I try, sir? Alright. Alright, let me see, can I get them to come out, sir? Alright, this is Deputy McVeigh at the door. Could you come to the door? Could you come close to the door? Alright, let me this. Ma'am, could you open the door for us? Thank you. Thank you for coming out. Thank you. I appreciate that. Alright, these 2 people saying they're from the FBI, ma'am. Alright. Do you have any they've been out here for the last 10 minutes. So they say they're investigating you, man. Oh, I'm not for sure. You have to speak with them about that, man. Alright, so she's running. Alright, so she just took off running, man.
Dispatch, we have a visual.
See if we can't catch up with her. Crap, come on, man. Get on the ground, lady, before you get tased. Alright, she really gonna feel it when I hit her with this thing. Get on the ground. Don't move, ma'am. You gonna get it again. Got us out here fucking chasing you in the rain. Get your ass on the ground. Alright, man. So she had me freaking change my uniform and everything, bro. Definitely wasn't trying to do that.
Suspect apprehended in Hollywood.
Alright, so I'm gonna let the agents go ahead and handle her, man. Oh my God, this is going now. Alright, so where's that pawn, bro?
Attention all units.
Bro, where's my freaking... Oh yeah, we chased her from somewhere, right? Bro, what the heck? Alright, so I done lost my freaking vehicle, bro. I don't know where it is. Alright, man. No biggie, bro. I'll just get another one, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna code 4 off of that one. 1 Lincoln 18. Show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4, no additional support needed.
Alright, so that was pretty crazy, dude. I actually thought they wasn't real agents, but turns out they were, man. They was investigating this lady, and she took off running out the back door. So I pretty much end up assisting, bringing her in custody, I guess you could say. Alright, man. The rain has settled in for us big time. It's raining cats and dogs out here, bro. Alright, man. It's getting pretty bad out here, bro. I hate to cut it short, man, but I'm definitely got to end my shift right now. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Definitely be longer videos in the future. Something just came up, and I have to call it a night, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Without, you know, judging me or whatever, man. I'm new to this, so give me a chance. I appreciate you guys, man. I'm out. Kwey in these streets, man. I appreciate you, man.